fiberglass. The house we're building is made of logs. It's all crooked and uneven. We leveled everything using a laser. Installed the beam on a special fastener called a nagel. The house will be insulated in 2 layers of 50 each. We can see clearly here that the foundation used to stick out. The previous team trimmed it down so we wouldn't need to install a drip edge and to make sure the foundation didn't protrude. We can also see here that the window has been filled in with blocks. Alright guys, hi everyone, we finished this project and today I'm going to give you a quick overview. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm giving you the opportunity to see how we installed the facade on a post-war house. We insulated the log house with 2 layers of 50 millimeters each, and the extension was insulated with 50 millimeters. We also installed a metal batten system, as well as complex metal window trims. We built out the roof cornice using boards, meaning we increased the width of the fascia board. We also installed soffits and metal fascia trims. And the main thing we have is the facade panels. We used perforated soffits and also installed a gutter system on both sides. We can also see here that we have exterior corners installed. I'm showing you them from this angle. Here we had a window in this spot which was filled in with the block. Here we can see that the soffits are installed at a 45-degree angle. Here we can see a small window. This is the bathroom. Accordingly, we have a hatch here. The hatch is installed and here we have water. So here we will have an additional pipe coming out of the wall where you can see the opening, some kind of open ventilation, and here we have an exhaust valve installed. So let me show you from this angle what we ended up with. Here we can see the downspout from the gutter system, and over here you can see these nice well installed window trims. In this case we had already removed all the protective film before leaving. By the way, the drip caps were originally all green. Everything is starting to bloom for some reason in March. Alright, let me show you here. We have a hatch here and fiber optic cable too. There used to be a small house here, an old one built after the war, and now we see a real beauty. A small addition in case someone missed it. There's a window behind this wall. The window has been sealed with aerated concrete blocks. Also, we completely reinstalled the door. So that's about it, guys. This is how everything turned out here. Hugs to everyone. See you next time.